What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the chicken jockey from the Minecraft movie. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page and draw a large square for the head. We'll start on the top left. Let's draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right, to right about there. Now I want to draw that same length line coming down the side of the head. So I'll start back on the left. I'm going to bring this down to right about there, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to add some perspective to the head. So from the top corners, we're just going to angle this up and in with a short line going across the top of the head, and we'll flatten this off. Let's add the hairline across the top, starting on the left, then it's up and in, come out and then down. And I want to continue to add these little points going across. Add one coming straight down the middle. And then on the right, we're just going to bend this out. And we can vary the size. Now the eyes are going to sit along the center of the head. So we're going to start with a gap in the middle. Let's start on the left. Bend this in and up across the brow. Line this up on the right side. Let's go back to the left. Curve the eyelid going up and then out. Now let's draw the bottom of the eye. On the outside, we're going to step in, curve this around, and then pull that up towards the inside of the brow. And then we'll add a square for the pupils pushed towards the inside. So we're going to start on the top left, draw a straight line coming down, and it comes straight in. Let's line this up on the right. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the pupils. Now with the eyes complete, let's move to the center and draw the nose. We'll start with a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now over on the left side, bend this in and up towards the middle, come down and out towards the right. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a fold going up and then down. Let's go in between the nose and the eyes. We're going to add a fold across the cheeks. We're going to go out and then down towards the bottom. Let's connect the bottom with a curve going up and then down across the bottom of the mouth. Go back to the left side, going up and then down. Now in the center, draw a short line going across the lip, and they'll separate out the teeth, starting with a line coming down the middle. Now we're going to add two more on either side. Let's add those squared off ears along the side of the head, starting on the left, going out, come down, and then back in. Now we're going to line that up on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the chicken's head. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going across the top. From the ends, draw two straight lines coming down towards the beak. Let's flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to add some perspective to the beak. From the bottom corners of the head, angles down and out. Then again, drawing a straight line going across. Down the side towards the bottom of the beak. Then again, just flatten this off. Let's split the beak in half with another straight line in the middle. And then along the top, we're going to draw two small circles and fill those in black for the nostrils. Let's add the eyes across the top, starting on the left side, come in, and then straight down to create a square. And I'll push the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to step in, coming down, and then in to create a smaller square. Let's fill the pupils in black. Let's go down towards the bottom, draw two straight lines coming down, and I'll flatten this off. Now from the bottom corners of the beak, we're going to step in, draw the side of the body, coming down, And we'll flatten this off. And then going to the side, we're going to add in the wings. Starting from the side of the beak, we're going to go out, straight down, and then back in towards the side. Let's draw on the legs, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side, bend this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And they'll flatten off the bottom of the feet, going straight out towards the side. Let's go up with a short line and pull that back in. Now I want to draw the outside of the legs. So we're going to step out, come down, and then bend that out along the bottom. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top. We're going to tuck the body in behind the chicken. We're going to start on the top left, bend this out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Bend this down and in towards the side of the head. Let's go up to the top. We're going to add a V right in the middle, coming down and then up. Let's add the collar, coming down and then up along either side. Now I'm going to go back to the hips and curve the leg, going out and then bend that back in towards the side of the wings. Now from the side of the body, we're going to add in the arms. Halfway between the bottom of the head and the hip. We're going to start right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the thumb, we're going to come down and around that bracket. Go to the side, then the second finger, and then the third finger, I'm going to blend into the arm and pull that up underneath the head. Now let's draw the edge of the sleeve from the top of the arm, step down, bend this up, and then out. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's the chicken jockey from the Minecraft movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.